Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
Taking out the boat today. Happy 4th of July.
Skylar, did you have fun at the parade? Yeah? Remi, how was it?
Good.
Kyler's still sleeping. Yep, he's out.
Hi guys. Today we're going to a 4th of July parade. I have a tattoo and a blue hair.
Tattoos, blue hair.
And my wings.
Oh, and your wings.
And my scooters. And my scooter's decorated, and it's a poppy scooter decorated.
Show us how you do it. How do you go? Ooh. You can't show Daddy this video, huh?
Mom.
Yeah, let me see your hair.
No, no.
Where are we?
We're at the parade.
At the parade. Let me see your setup. Let me see your cute scooter. Turn around, let me see your wings. Ooh, fancy. Who's meeting us here? Rocky. Are you guys gonna scoot in the parade together? Yeah. Kyler's still sleeping. Yep, he's out. Time to wake up, buddy. Go. We're off to the parade.
Okay.
Remi, what are you eating?
Chicken noodles and rice.
Chicken, noodles, and rice. Yum.
Here you go, Tanya.
Perfect, thank you. Ooh, looks delicious. It's a chop chicken sundae. It looks so good. What do you see? Was it a hop? For the Hillsboro hops?
I think it's all
You guys got some teriyaki chicken, rice, and noodles. How is it, Remi? Delicious?
Can go get soy sauce?
Soy sauce?
Yeah.
Rocky, how's your shave ice? Good? The parade's about to start. Keegan, you look so cute. Kaden, I love your hat. The parade's starting. Woo! Do it. Skylar, did you have fun at the parade? Yeah? Remi, how was it?
Good.
Good? Did you march with all your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you ride?
My scooter, my poppy scooter.
Your poppy scooter?
And I ride my bike.
Heck yeah, you did. You look so cool, dude.
And look at the miracle flag. It's actually just a bow.
The American flag, yeah. Now what are we doing?
We're going to the park with our friends.
Going to the park. Woo!
All right, guys, welcome back to another fun adventure day with the kiddos and taking out the boat today. Happy 4th of July. We're ready to take the boat out. His wife is getting it all packed up right now. All right, this is gonna be our first time on the Columbia River. Never been there. It's 4th of July, so it's gonna be packed. It's on the, if you're not familiar with the area, it's on the border of Washington and Oregon. And we're gonna be out there on the boat. They have one of the largest fireworks shows. We've been to it before, but it's been a lot of years and we haven't been to it in the boat. So we're hoping we can see a good show, and we're hoping that there's not too many boats out there because it's gonna get hectic from what I've heard. And yeah, just installed a
Oh, look at Abby.
light bar so we can see when we're loading and unloading. That way makes it easier to get in the trailer. And if it's pitch black, there's no other boats around, then we can turn it on. Tanya's QX80, it's been doing pretty good so far. Been a pretty good tow rig. There's no brakes on this one because it's single axle, but it's been working really well so far. It's gonna be our first time installing the, I don't know if you call installing it, but putting on the boat cover, because we lost a cup holder on the way back from the lake on well, last weekend. So hopefully this works out good. Kyler, Remi, what do you want to say? Anything?
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
What are you wearing today?
A unicorn shirt and a skirt with stars on it.
Ooh, and what are you wearing, dude?
And I'm wearing a dinosaur shirt and just shorts.
Cool.
Just shorts.
Look pretty cool. Alright guys, so me and John just installed the cover for the first time. This is the OEM Yamaha cover. It's actually really legit. Obviously it has the holes for the cleats. It says Yamaha, which is nice, but what's really impressive is all these strapping points. There's a strap underneath there, strap underneath here, and it runs along the line of the boat. I'm new to boating, so if this is something standard, I don't know. I'm just saying this is pretty nice. In here is another ratcheting. Make sure that it's nice and snug. It's actually probably too loose. There we go. Now it's nice and tight. Anyway, so I like it so far. First time putting it on there. Gonna go get some gas. I was wondering how we were gonna do that, but of course, there's a little gas hole there. Alright guys, we are rolling through Portland right now. We're about to be to James Gleason here in about 15 minutes and get the boat out on the water. It's kind of cloudy today. This is blue sky still. It's been thunder and lightning in July. There's still plenty of spots open. Portland International Airport's right there. Whew. All right, guys, we are in. Bunch of boats out here. Some wave runners. Just missed another Yamaha. That's the other Yamaha right there, 212X. It's about the boat. Got a Sea-Doo. Another Sea-Doo right there. It's all jet boats right now. All right, guys, first time on the Columbia. Beach over here. Here's what we just came out from. It's gonna be Vancouver this way to the right, and Portland right behind us. What a beautiful day out here, you guys. So happy to be out here. Honestly, the boat's been changed everything. I love it. Anyways, you can see Mount Hood from right here. It's kind of cool. All right, Remi, what's your favorite thing to do on the island? Favorite thing to do on the boat?
Go on the island.
Go on the island. Got some waves going in now. Guys, I just have to say, if you're debating on getting one of these, yes, it's a pain to fill it up. And yes, it's more of a pain to deflate it, but it's worth it. The kids love this thing. Kyler, wash off your hands first, get all the sand off. See guys, Kyler's about to hop right in right now. Hop in, dude. It's the one I got from Costco. It's like 10 person, 1,100 pounds, something like that. So it holds like as much as the boat, and it's 130 bucks. How goes it, Rocky?
What?
I said, how goes it? Ooh, what a beautiful sunset, you guys. It's been an awesome day. Most of the boats have gone. We got, what, maybe a half dozen over there, another 2 or 3 over here. They're camping. So you can camp out here for up to 2 weeks. It's pretty cool. Got a few more boats over there. Sunset's beautiful. All right, guys, we are here. We're anchored. Yeah, we're ready to go.
All right, guys.
Hi, guys. How was everybody's day?
All right, guys.
And is everybody ready for some fireworks? Yeah, me too. So we are here. Everything is great. All these boats are here. We're anchoring up with a bunch of other boats. Well, not to them. Man, look at that yacht right there. Rocky, you look pretty cool. I like all your glow sticks. All right, guys. Got about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Kai, let me see you, dude. Whoa, you're glowing pretty good.
Yep. Which one?
All right, guys, fireworks show is just started.
It's so beautiful. Thank you for watching our video, guys. Hit the like button and like our video. Subscribe to our video and like it.
All right. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel and like our video.
Bye.